What is ISO 20022 XDC network? There's no hope, no sentiment in the crypto market about the pullback of Bitcoin, and still many analysts expect even bigger crashes. People have begun looking for projects with more support, which is currently ISO 20022, as we previously explained. If you don't know what that is, watch our previous videos. There are only 5 coins in total, and we've already covered 4 of them. And now it's time to cover the final coin, which is XDC. But before we get into the details, I would like to welcome you guys back in another video of our YouTube channel TechHUB, where you will be always getting your daily dose of crypto news and entertainment. It is also important to note that I'm not a financial advisor, and everything in this video is not financial advice. So let's start the video without any further delay with the introduction to XDC network and how it works. So basically, the XDC network is a hybrid blockchain that uses a delegated proof of stake (XDPoS) consensus mechanism to operate. The XDC network makes hybrid relay bridges, spontaneous block finality, and interoperability possible for blockchain users thanks to the XDPoS. It is built on a hybrid architecture that is developer-friendly. The XDC network offers its users digitization, tokenization, and quick trade transactions thanks to its democratic consensus and high transparency. XDC network is a global trade and finance network. It has created a commercial-grade architecture that is highly secure, permissioned, and scalable. XDC network closes the gaps in global finance and trade with a hybrid architecture. This benefits the financial industry by allowing for instant and real-time settlement through smart contracts. The XDCone protocol powers the XDC network. The XDC protocol was designed to support both the smart contracts and AML/KYC layers. In terms of their mission, the XDC network works to eliminate inefficiencies in global trade and finance through the use of blockchain technology. The main goal of XDC Network's initiative is to make transactions more secure and transparent between various parties to facilitate interoperable cross-border trade. As a foundation, XDC aims to build a platform that will enable startups and businesses to conduct international fund transfers with ease. Now further, let's talk about the XDC token and XDC Pay, which is their main product. XDC is the native token of the XDC network. The XDC token is the XDC hybrid blockchain space utility token. This token serves as a medium of exchange for dApps built on the XDC hybrid blockchain. The XDC token is currently available on exchange platforms such as KuCoin, Bittrex, Bitrue, and Bitfinex. The XDC network enables real-time cross-border trade to be integrated with a secure integrated wallet solution. This wallet solution uses the advanced XDC protocol to facilitate cross-border transactions safely and securely. When it comes to XDC Network's XDC Pay, it's a browser extension that allows users to access XDPoS-enabled dApps in the browser. For accessing the dApps built on the XDC platform, it is not necessary to run a full XDC node. The XDC Pay extension allows dApps to read data from the blockchain by integrating the XDPoS Web3 API into each site's JavaScript content. Users must pay a gas fee to use the computing power while transacting on the blockchain. As a result, a wallet is required for paying gas fees, storing balances, and processing transactions. Users can process transactions quickly and easily with the XDC Pay browser extension. XDC Pay supports several browsers, including Google Chrome and various Chromium browsers, such as dApp, Chromium Browser, and Brave. Opera and Mozilla Firefox are also supported. Adding or importing accounts, switching accounts and networks, sending and receiving tokens, XDC, requesting tokens, testnet faucet, searching and adding tokens, getting backup seed, and many other features are available through XDC Pay. Let us now discuss all of the major issues that XDC Network addresses, which makes it a survivor and high-potential project in any market condition. The XDC network follows the XDPoS mechanism, a decentralized transaction validation system. It is responsible for validating transactions on the XDC hybrid blockchain. XDC Network's delegated proof-of-stake protocol, unlike other consensus protocols, uses real-time voting to select a pool of validators or delegates. These validators are solely responsible for maintaining the XDC hybrid blockchain's integrity. Validators perform a variety of functions, including validators in charge of transforming transactions into valid blocks. They are also in charge of block broadcasting across the network. XDC network also addresses 4 key issues that plague public blockchain networks. The first is that, when compared to Bitcoin and Ethereum-based PoW mining, XDPoS consensus uses 1/10 of the energy. The gas fee then drops to near zero thanks to the XDPoS consensus. This makes processing microtransactions on the XDC network possible. The third feature is that XDPoS consensus solves the problem of scalability in low-volume transactions by increasing TPS. Finally, an independent KYC-based node solves the issue of anonymous network members using the XDPoS consensus mechanism. Now I hope learning about all the features and products XDC network got for the public has made it crystal clear about the future of their network. So that's the end of the video, but still, if you have any questions about anything related to XDC network, so as I always say, do mention it below in the comment box. And also let us know if you want us to make videos on all these coins to explain every detail about them. Now, if you have found the content helpful, then don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and do subscribe to our channel for weekly content like this. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video of TechHUB. Until then, goodbye.